Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a pop-up like just like this in Windows 10. You can also trick people with this, and it's super nice and cool that you can make your own pop-up. And as you can see, I have some pop-up, and I also have a shortcut on it on my desktop. It's this exact thing, so I'm gonna close it off real quick. I coded it in a way that it that I have to click several times to close it, which is kind of annoying, so I just use the task manager anyway. So today I'll show you how to make these pop-ups. This is basically done on Windows XP Emulator, or maybe I should say any PC that has Notepad, because mainly Windows XP or like maybe starting from Windows 95, but most of you should be on like Windows 7 or later. This does not work on MacBooks or other non-Windows operating systems such as Chrome OS or Linux, or it wouldn't work on your phone too. How does this work? First, open up Notepad, which I know how to open it in my way. I just searched Notepad. I already have the app open, and you'll see that other some other YouTubers will just right click on your desktop and then click on text document, but I don't recommend that because it's gonna be saved in your desktop and you wouldn't want it taking up your storage. You can only do that if you want to save it, but if you want to save it like regular, just click save and then you can save it like regular, so you can use it anytime and change your script if you want. But anyway, it's open. This is already on the clipboard. Yeah. Now this is a lot of stuff. You may pause the video right now and see if you would like to see. So what I'm basically gonna do in this video is I'm gonna show you me making one of these. So if you want only one, it's only gonna pop up one time. So like, for an example, I did kind of it like this. You can see the exact thing I do. For this test pop-up, this exact thing I use. So it's gonna appear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. I spammed it 8 times, so let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, it only showed it 8 times, and this is the exact photo I made it with this. So yeah, I know you would also hear the sound of it like you did. So yeah, I'm gonna create one. This is just a template. If you can memorize this, you don't have to type this then delete it, but you can just type your own thing. So over here it's blue and it says this, and this basically shows is the description of the pop-up like it says over here. So I'm gonna make my description. I don't know what to make it about this. I'm gonna make it about Microsoft Edge. Sorry if I type too slow, but it's just, yeah. And 0 means the OK button. I'm gonna keep it at the OK button, but it's not a critical icon. I'm gonna put 64. 64. And then the title will be Microsoft Edge. And yeah. Also, I spammed it a couple times. Make sure to not make this mistake if you ever do. And also another thing, if you want to like write your own option, I don't think you can do that in this way. You have to choose one of those. But yeah. Then gonna spam it. I spammed it 3 times so you can remember this. I just noticed I spelled Chrome wrong. I'm gonna keep it in the wrong spelling because it's gonna take time to fix it. The important part, you click on file, you click on save. You see this part. This is the exact thing I did. If you only put it 1 time, then it's just gonna be 1. I put it 3 times, so it should be 3. And also, you have to make the VBS at the end of the file name. You have to put it. Otherwise, this trick wouldn't work. Save this at my desktop because this is where I'm gonna use it. And there you go, saved. Also, another tip is not part of this video, but I really like. When you click over here, you may be wondering what this is. Extra space with a line. Just click on here to minimize all windows. Click on it to get back all the windows. So I just minimize all the windows. Here's my shortcut I used. It should be showing 3 times. This is exactly what I typed. You see this exact thing? Hold on. This is the thing I exactly typed. I typed Microsoft Edge is better and more secure than Chrome in my opinion. Typed it here, comes in here. Even my error comes in here. I selected 64, so I put this icon. I put Microsoft Edge, so it showed Microsoft Edge. And the options are the same no matter what. If you put retry or any other options like abort, retry, ignore, yes or no, those buttons do the same thing as clicking on OK in those official pop-ups again. You can just click on OK. Let's see if it will if it will show up 3 times because I spammed it 3 times. So this is the first time, the second time, the third time. You see how it sounds pretty different. It sounds different according to the icon you see. But yeah, pretty simple. If you have any questions, you can comment. I just made it. Hopefully it worked. So hopefully you can subscribe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully this video helped you out. And yeah, if you have any questions, put it in the comment section. And yeah, hopefully you have a nice day, and bye everyone.